The Travelpro Maxlite Air Hardside is a durable and attractive suitcase range, available in a selection of stylish colours. The medium checked case measures 27 by 17 by 11 inches, including its handles and wheels, and weighs a lightweight 8.3 pounds. This hardside suitcase is made from durable polycarbonate, designed to flex and absorb impact to prevent cracking. The textured exterior looks great and resists scratches. The Maxlite Air Hardside has a separate zipper to expand your case for 2 extra inches of packing space. There are luggage feet on the side of the case to keep it raised off the floor when setting it down on its side. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. This case has handles on the top and side of the bag for carrying. There's no bottom handle, but the shell is slightly indented to help with lifting the case. I wasn't a fan of the handles on this case. They're not cushioned and are quite tight to the case, which can squash your fingers. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 2 heights using the button on the handle. It wasn't the smoothest to operate, but it does feel sturdy when extended. The 4 double spinner wheels are quite small for a medium checked case. The wheels roll smoothly and quietly on a variety of surfaces, however I did find they were a bit slow to respond when changing direction quickly. This case opens like a clamshell with 2 interior packing areas. Both sides of the case have zippered dividers to separate the packing compartments and hold your belongings in place. The compartments are large and spacious, so you may want to use packing cubes to organise your clothing. One of the dividers has 1 mesh pocket and 1 wet pocket for separating small, wet or dirty items. The interior lining was pretty soft and is easy to wipe clean. There's an integrated TSA combination lock on the exterior of the case to secure the main compartment. The double zippers run quite smoothly. The zipper pulls are pretty big due to the positioning of the luggage lock and rattle around when not docked in the lock. Overall, the Travelpro Maxlite Air Hardside is a good mid-range option for the occasional or frequent traveller, with thoughtful interior storage to stay organised. To complete the set, there are 2 carry-on sizes and a large checked suitcase available in the Travelpro Maxlite Air Hardside Collection.